The MGP caliper covers in red should appeal to the 2009 and newer F150 owners out there who have an 18-inch or larger wheel and would like to dress up the unsightly calipers on your rig while at the same time reducing brake dust on your favorite set of wheels. Now, these officially licensed covers will be made from T6 aluminum and will feature the Ford logo on both front and rear covers for right around that $200 price point. Install will be very straightforward using the included hardware, so let's call it 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and about an hour or less from start to finish. Now, MGP definitely has the caliper cover market covered and produces a number of different options for a bunch of different trucks. This does include a few different colors, including black, red, and yellow, in addition to a few different logos such as the Ford option here, the Lightning logo for all you SVT owners out there, and last but not least, the plain MGP logo. So I always like to give these videos a little disclaimer and say that yes, I know these will not be for everyone out there, but it's going to be a lot easier than painting your calipers while also being far less expensive than stepping into an aftermarket big brake kit. So again, if you're not a fan of this kit, no worries, you don't have to watch this video anymore. But if you're on the fence or if you are a fan, then hang out with me for a little bit longer and we'll talk about what you can expect here with these covers. Now, as far as your construction is concerned, well, the covers themselves have been made from a very durable and lightweight 6061 aluminum, so they'll be able to withstand the test of time and the high brake temps, in addition to that powder coat red finish in this case here, which will keep them looking good for years to come. Aside from the general aesthetics, the MGP covers will also have a bit of functionality here, as small as it may be, but they will help keep some of the brake dust off of your favorite set of wheels, again 18-inch or larger, in order to run these guys. But let's get into the installation briefly, and as I pointed out earlier, you really aren't looking at anything too intense, so we're going to call this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the old difficulty meter, maybe 30 minutes to an hour of your time depending on your setup and just how fast you like to work. Tool-wise, well, obviously those wheels will need to come off, so therefore, make sure you have a set of jack and jack stands laying around or a lift if you have access. You're also going to need a pair of wire snips and pliers along with a wrench to be able to snug up the bracket nut with the caliper covers. So even though caliper covers might not appeal to all truck owners out there, they will certainly dress up a bland area behind the wheel while keeping those wheels a little bit cleaner at the same time. So be sure to check out the many options from MGP for your truck right here at AmericanTrucks.com.